Okay, this is me and Joe. We're about to. Well, I'll try and work out how to stand the phone. We're going to attempt to fit Joe into the fridge. Let's check that we're recording. Yeah. What, both of us?
Yeah, it's mine.
Dry it off first. Move the fridge a little bit.
Fridge stinks.
You're going to get a bit of chili in there. You all think? No. Most. Right, do you want a towel? Or have you got?
Just use that whole one.
Oh, I'm going to have to hold it while you play it.
It's going to topple over, isn't it?
That's what I mean. It's lucky I'm here while you think of these things. Right.
Will it
Right.
shut with that?
Huh?
Will it shut with that on?
What would you
I'm going to do that.
Oh, you read on the light. That's the only thing that's stopping me.
Too big.
Oh no, my phone can't see. Hang on. Hang on. I think I got a text that made it full.
Can't fit me in, Ben.
Oh, is it not closing?
Which one?
Right. No.
Come on.
So this is the actual.
Think we will. Turn that one off.
Yeah, it looks like it. Right.
The fucking fridge is going to topple over. I can feel me shaking. Oops. Oops.
Right, really, they come out, okay. Alright. Bear with us.
Ben, I'm starting to get cramp.
Alright, hang on. Starting to talk like. Yeah.
And he's
Go on.
definitely fit in because he's smaller than me.
Yeah. I ain't gonna fit in there. Yes! Shall I ask you?
What's the milk?
Shall I ask Jeff? Go on. Jeff, don't shut that milk, it stinks. Right, let me just compose myself. Yeah? Is this yours in the fridge? I think it's gone off. I think I don't know, it's not Joe's or it's in the fridge still. What is it? It's in the fridge, have a look. Whoops, stinks. Whoops.
Running away.
Where is it? No, in the fridge.
Oh, in the fridge.
Yeah.
I put in the freezer.
Ah!
He's got me!